What's going on everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Debug Haven, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 11 on any older PC. This includes PCs that don't support TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot. We're going to be using a free tool called Rufus to bypass these requirements from Microsoft so you can enjoy Windows 11 on any device that you choose. Before we start, make sure you've got the following: a USB drive that is at least 8 GB or bigger, the internet connection, the latest Windows 11 ISO directly from Microsoft, and Rufus. Links for all of these will be found in the description. Step 1. Google Windows 11 ISO download Microsoft. Scroll down until you find a section named Download Windows 11 Disk ISO. From the drop down box, choose Windows 11, choose your preferred language. For me, I am doing English International since I'm not in the States. Then click Confirm and click the times 64-bit download link generated for you by Microsoft. Step 2. Google Rufus and click the option with the link rufus.ie. Then click Downloads. Now I recommend the portable edition as this does not require Rufus to be installed on your PC physically. It will run live directly from the file that you downloaded to. Awesome. Now that we got all the resources downloaded, we need to now prepare our USB. Before using Rufus, I recommend formatting USB just to make sure there's no leftover files that are going to conflict with Rufus. So to do this, we're just going to plug in our USB directly into our computer. We're going to open our File Explorer, navigate to our computer section, and then we're going to right click the USB we're using for Rufus. We're going to click Format, and we're going to make sure Quick Format is selected, and go ahead and click Start. This will format our drive so there's no data at all, and Rufus is free to use it. Alright, and lastly we're now going to create the actual ISO onto the USB using Rufus. So, with your USB plugged in, if you've taken it out after formatting it, you can plug it back in, and now we're going to navigate to wherever we downloaded Rufus. So in my case, this is going to be my download file, and you're going to see here I've got Rufus and my Windows 11 ISO ready to go. So we're going to click Rufus once, then right click and run as administrator. Clicking yes to give it permission, and then it's going to ask us do we want to allow Rufus to check for application updates. I recommend ticking yes just to make sure we've always got the latest patches when using Rufus. After that, Rufus is now going to open, and the first section you're going to see up the top here is device. Now, because I've only got one USB device connected to my computer, Rufus has automatically selected this as the device to install the ISO to. However, if you've got multiple devices or multiple USBs, you can click this drop down and select your USB from the list here. Now the next section here is our boot selection. This is where we actually choose what ISO we want Rufus to write. So we're going to click select, we're going to navigate to our download where I've downloaded Windows 11, or the folder wherever you've downloaded Windows 11 ISO. We're going to click it, simply click open, Rufus is going to scan it, and then we're up to the next step. So you're going to see image option, we can leave this as standard installation. Now, partition scheme depends on your type of system. My system is a bit more modern, being a Dell Optiplex, so it does support UEFI boot support, so I'm going to leave this as GPT so I can actually use that feature. Now, if your computer is a bit older and uses legacy support, you can switch it to MBR, which is Master Boot Record, which allows you to boot from a legacy device. Now, the volume label is simply what you want USB to show up as if you plug it into Windows device. I'm going to leave this as default. We're going to leave everything else as default, and we're now going to click Start. We're going to get this pop-up from Rufus asking us what options we want. In this case, I'm only showing you how to bypass 2.0, TPM and Secure Boot. So we're going to tick the first option here, which removes that requirement along with the 4 GB of RAM requirement for Windows 11. If you do want to customize your installation more, you can tick any options that apply to you, then click OK, and now Rufus will get us to confirm that everything on our USB will be destroyed. Clicking OK will now initialize Rufus to begin writing the ISO. This will take approximately around 20 minutes depending on your USB speed. And it is as simple as that. You've now got a fully working Windows 11 customized install to bypass the requirements from Microsoft. If this helped you, make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and share this video for more tips and tricks in the future. I'm Debug Haven, thank you for watching the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye everyone.